In this video, you'll learn how to create a Paysafecard account. By following these steps, you will successfully register and set up your account for use. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Paysafecard website. Once the page loads, look for an option labeled sign up or register and click on it. This action will direct you to the registration page where you will begin the process of creating your account. On the registration page, you will be prompted to select your country of residence from a drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate country to ensure compliance with local regulations. After selecting your country, accurately enter your email address in the designated field. It is crucial to provide a valid email, as this will be used for account verification and communication. Next, you will need to create a secure password for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the specified requirements, which typically include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Following this, fill in any additional personal details that are required on the form. Make sure to review the information you have entered for accuracy. After completing the personal information section, carefully read through the terms and conditions provided. It is important to understand these terms before proceeding. Once you've accepted the terms, submit the registration form by clicking the submit button. This action will create your Paysafecard account, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your registration was successful. To finalize the setup, check your email for a verification message from Paysafecard. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your address. Once your email is verified, return to the Paysafecard website and log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard where you can review your account details and start using Paysafecard services. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.